Hi Kylie, I thought I would make a quick video to show the cardiac rhythm and heart rate sounds and rates so you can see all the different possibilities. And so yeah, this is the software. So we're just going to go up into cardiac rhythm and then you'll get a long list of all the different possibilities. So I'll just slowly scroll down. So within each cardiac rhythm, you have options on the right hand side here. So under sinus rhythm, you have all these optional things that you can add to that rhythm. For instance, left bundle branch block. Each different rhythm will have different options. So if you have a pacemaker, no options there. Atrial flutter, you have a few different things. So I'll just quickly click. You can see some of the different options. Lots of different ones for the MI infarction. And then under heart rate, you just adjust it by the slider, and each different rhythm will have a corresponding range that you can adjust it within. So for normal sinus, you have 15 up to 240, and that will change depending on the rhythm that you choose. There will be a preset minimum and maximum. And then for heart sounds, you'll have the 4 different speakers in around the heart area. You can sync them all up so that the sounds are coming from each speaker the same. You can change the volume, or you can turn the sync on and you could make a murmur on the aortic speaker or whatever you like. The different options are all the same for each of the four speakers, and there is some of the choices.